Hey guys, this is AJ from 360 Reader. I hope you guys are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share how you can use iPhone back tap custom controls for shortcuts, accessibility, system actions. Apple has never failed to surprise us with its cool features. One of the new features that have come with iOS 14 is back tap. Just a double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone can let you open the control center, take a screenshot, or enable accessibility features like assistive touch, voiceover, zoom, and more. If you no longer want to dig into the Settings app to activate certain features such as voiceover, magnifier, or wish to snap a screenshot or fine-tune volume with ease, chances are pretty high that you would love to use back tap on your iPhone. It's worth pointing out upfront that the all-new back tap features support only iPhone 8 or later, so ensure that your device is fully compatible with it. With that said, let's enable back tap and customize it on iPhone. Before we start, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom and then tap on back tap. Next, choose double tap or triple tap as the preferred gesture. Finally, choose the desired system actions such as App Switcher, Siri, or accessibility features like assistive touch, magnifier, reachability, and voiceover. Do note that you have a ton of options to choose from, including the super handy Siri shortcut that you can trigger just by tapping on the back of your iPhone. So select the preferred action or feature that you want to activate using the back tap feature and you are good to go. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can enable and customize the cool back tap feature on your iPhone. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to enhance your experience. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I will catch you in the next video with another exciting tip. Till then, stay safe and have an amazing time.